How to use shapes and elements in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open a new or existing design where you want to add shapes and elements. Next, on the left-hand panel, click on the Elements button. Canva will display a variety of design elements including shapes, lines, icons, illustrations, charts, and stickers. Use the search bar to find specific elements or browse through the categories. Click on the element you want and it will automatically be added to your design canvas. After adding an element, you can resize, rotate, move, or duplicate it using the toolbar options. You can also change colors, adjust transparency, or layer multiple elements to create a more professional and creative look. For even more customization, combine different shapes and elements, group them together, or use them with text and backgrounds to design social media posts, flyers, presentation, posters, and YouTube thumbnails. Now you know how to use shapes and elements in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.